A man accused of sending emails while posing as a former lawmaker is back in court.
John LEIDECKER is facing cyberstalking charges, and just a short time ago, the alleged victim took the stand. Eyewitness News reporter Alex DePrado just got out of court and joins us now live with more on our top local story.
Well, Erin, prosecutors say LEIDECKER sent those emails because he didn't want the representative to be reelected. Today, that former representative now took the stand. Former state representative Douglas Gablinske told a court he was concerned for the safety of him and his family when he discovered he was being impersonated on email.
Sleepless nights, nervousness, nauseated stomach, just physically and emotionally worn down by what was happening to me.
John LEIDECKER, a staffer at the National Education Association of Rhode Island, is on trial on a misdemeanor charge of cyberstalking. Prosecutors charge LEIDECKER used an email address that was similar to Gablinske's name to misrepresent his position on tolls on the Mount Hope Bridge.
What was it about what was happening that was disturbing?
The fact that someone was out there, I did not know who, and they were impersonating me. There were a myriad of things that were happening that made me extremely concerned for my family and for my own health.
The teachers union backed Gablinske's opponent in the race, and he went on to lose the primary. The defense acknowledges LEIDECKER sent the emails, but argue they are free speech.
We have an absolute right in a case like this where our defense is unequivocally that all of this communication is protected by the First Amendment, Judge, to demonstrate that what was going on here in part was political parody, Judge.
So the defense lays out their strategy. This is all free speech. The trial continues August 9th. We're live at court in Providence with the mobile newsroom tonight. I'm Alex DePrado, Eyewitness News.